Ready to ditch the camera and dive into the world of AI video creation. First up, Synthesia. Known for its hyper-realistic AI avatars and focus on corporate training videos, its interface is clean, guiding you through script input, avatar selection from their diverse library, and voice customization. Customization here is all about text-to-speech. You can tweak the avatar's tone, speed, and even add pauses for a natural delivery, perfect for explaining complex topics. Now, let's switch gears to HeyGen. HeyGen boasts a wider range of creative templates and is generally seen as slightly more beginner-friendly. HeyGen excels in visual storytelling, offering not only AI avatars, but also dynamic backgrounds and engaging animations directly within the platform. Creating marketing promos is a breeze here. When it comes to pricing, both offer subscription-based plans. Synthesia generally targets larger businesses with higher volume needs, while HeyGen has more accessible entry-level options considered your budget and video production frequency. Synthesia wins in avatar realism and control over voice nuances, while HeyGen edges ahead in creative templates and ease of use for beginners. The best choice depends on your priorities. So, explore both platforms, utilize their free trials, and unlock the potential of AI video creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which AI tool best suits your video needs.